Is it recording? Yes, okay. Chapter 5b, review number 10. So last problem on the review, write the polynomial in standard form, which really means just multiply the thing out and then put it in order of biggest power to least power. So let's see, which two should we multiply together first? You can multiply any two together that you want. So let's do these two. So I'll just leave the 3x to the 3x minus 5 by itself here. And then if I multiply it, if I FOIL out the 2x minus 1 and the x plus 2, I'm going to get 2x times x, which is 2x squared. And then 2x times 2 is plus 4x. And then negative 1 times x is minus x. And then negative 1 times 2 is minus 2. So then let me simplify this one, the second parentheses, a little bit. So I got 3x minus 5 times 2x squared plus 3x minus 2. So now when I multiply out these two parentheses, it's really 3x times everything on the right and then minus 5 times everything on the right. So I find it's useful to just write it like that. 3x times 2x squared plus 3x minus 2 minus 5 times 2x squared plus 3x minus 2. I think it's easier to keep track of what you're doing that way. So then the first one is going to turn into 6 times x cubed plus 3x times 3x is 9x squared. And then 3x times negative 2 is minus 6x. And then you got to distribute the negative 5 to everything here. So it's minus 10x squared, and then minus 15x, and then plus 10. And now we got to combine like terms. The biggest power is a 6x cubed. Then I've got a 9x squared minus 10x squared, so minus x squared, 1x squared. Then I've got a negative 6x and a negative 15x, so that's a minus 21x. And then I just got plus 10 floating around at the end here. So there is that polynomial in standard form.